What you do with that? You bake me a cake, just sing me a song, watch me blow out me fucking candles. I come here for a fucking shootout, right?
No challenge, but I need these. These are what I want, just for my own sake. So we're going to carry on with the tour, try and fix the camera. It's like pumps, showers, gas stuff, analyzers. A lot of this stuff I'm not really going to stop at. I'm going to carry on walking because I want to get in and out. But yeah, they've got some good stuff. What else have I used? I've used a few different other people. Things. I enjoy these style of radiators. I think they're very classy. I like that. So I'm going to carry on, but now I'm going to carry on with the tour. Keep looking through, see what we can find. Hello, are you alright? How's it going? I'm alright. Yourself? Do the silencer.
They're trying to, well, yeah, get rid of that. They're trying to get rid of anything with a joint around the water. And now we've got fixed sizes from 8 inch to 11.5 inch.
Okay.
And these basically are fully composite with a new brass thread.
Is there a plastic thread on the bottom? I'm not going to go with brass thread one day.
We will just put plastic thread out, just to make sure we've got the compliant thread. But you know, hopefully January, February we'll have a brass tail version as well. Is that everybody?
It's going to last a little bit longer, isn't it?
Have you done the Chelsea tour?
I've just walked in, but yeah, I've just walked in, but I thought I'll come over. That's perfect, yeah.
Let us know when you do that.
Yeah,
Again, we'll get involved in that.
definitely. Because I was speaking to my young man.
Certainly, yeah.
Of the Loctite, what it does.
What do you need to know?
You just need to know. I want to see it put on something. I want to see the liquid one put on something. So, you
know about 55, do you?
Yeah, I know about 55. Yeah.
Well, if you want to see liquid, let me find a couple of fittings first.
Okay.
Right, so with a 577,
Yeah.
that's an anaerobic product, and it cures with the absence of air and the contact with the metal. Brass is the quickest, stainless steel the slowest. The way you apply it, you just put a bead on the front thread. When you assemble that, it will lock and seal. If you back it off so it's completely loose, it will still lock and seal.
Okay.
That's all you do.
That run seal just on the tin. That run seal. Thank you for that.
Mr. London Plumber.
Yep.
Very good. Okay, so. Hang on, you going to film me?
It's filming already. It's filming already.
Thank you. Right. So it's called Workwin Neo. And basically, this is a guaranteed leak-free bottle trap.
Okay.
And the reason it's guaranteed to be leak-free is because when we injection mould the plastic, we injection mould all the washers into the product at the same time. So where these products are going to leak from is going to be the washer. The reason for that is often because the washer is in the right place, you've lost the washer, you're using someone else's washer, all those things. It eliminates the problem with this product. So you've got a double washer seal in the cup. It's a telescopic product, so height adjustable. Another washer there. You have a washer on the top, that's your key washer. The reason for that is because it's a blind fit, so you can never see what you're doing.
Yeah.
So it being perfectly aligned and in place means you're not going to get leaking from that area. This is called our quick save function. No the big fat washer in there, so good for all the plastic piping you may have. Quarter turn, put your pipe in, quarter turn, lock it, and you're done. And then this is your anti-vac. So sometimes when you get negative pressure filling it down the soil pipe, instead of it sucking the water out, it'll suck air in through this little membrane and not the water out of the trap. And that's it. Comes in an inch and a quarter for your basin and also an inch and a half for your kitchen sink.
Okay. Nice.
And that's it.
It comes with a button and a handle. You can either use the handle, which has a dual flush as well, in there like that, or you can take it off. Or the button, which has a cradle that goes from 40 to 60, and you just put it in like that. Or you can have the cradle on it.
So you got the option to be able to give someone a handle and a button off the same siphon?
Yeah. And the siphon comes with 2 cradles as well, 1.5 and 2 inch, and that's all in the one pack.
Nice. Thank you.
Allow your debris to settle to the bottom, and this drip keys your valve, undo it, drain out. Pop that in, then you can dose it with an express. So you can clean it and dose it in under 2 minutes.
Thank you. So, that's good.
This is the simplest way we can show what's going on inside. Literally one is, you put this on the mains, supply in, so that protect your whole house, so you put this before one appliance, and that does if you imagine a shower head, that does a temperature change so the water can make it through without forming any scale.
Okay, thank you.